Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find out if someone hide their Instagram story from you. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important detail, like and subscribe. So if you have any followers, then you can go from here and you can go to anyone's following. And as you can see, a lot of people will have highlights. So if you remember that the other person has highlights, but suddenly they just disappeared after you refresh when you go to their profile, that means that they have either deleted the highlights or fully hidden you from your stories, because once they hide your stories, they also hide all the highlights that they have from you. Another way to check it is to exit the application, go to your browser, and then from here you can search for Instagram Anonymous Story Viewer. And once you search it, there's going to be this website right here. Click on it. And so you're going to enter their username. And once you enter their username, it's going to show you if they have any stories that are posted. And if they appear here, but they do not appear on your profile from Instagram itself, that means that they have hidden you. Just make sure that their account is public, because if it is private, then this Instagram is not going to showcase it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.